I can't believe that there's a part of Port A I've not seen. Just way back in Tuckton Park. Okay, so we keep going in circles. We're trying to get on the ferry. And, yeah, for some reason I'm not getting it.
Is that Ulrich?
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Is that Ulrich, right? Offshore head. You're the only woman I've ever loved like this.
Excuse me, sir?
You are the only woman I've ever loved this way. You're the only woman I've ever loved so much that it
Ditto.
fucking hurts. It hurts. when
It
I think about
hurts.
How much I love you. My heart can't even breathe unless you're next to me.
It's not supposed to hurt, is it?
Good way.
Good way.
She says it's not supposed to hurt.
We went around that place 3 times, three, to get on the ferry. And couldn't find our way, and it was just one quick right.
4 times the charm.
4 times the charm.
First time on a ferry.
First time on a ferry! Joey hates this thing, because he gets seasick on it.
What?
Yeah, so we were going to plan a Disney cruise, right? It's my dream to hit Disney World.
Okay.
Disney World is my dream. We've been to Disneyland. I want to go to Disney World. It's bigger, better. We can't go because Joey gets seasick on a ferry in 15 minutes. We can't take the cruise part.
Don't they have medicine for that?
Yeah, I had to get it from after. It's so funny. I think I have it on tape. I have everything on tape. Look at the people right here. Like if I'm a teenager. Because I never got him as a teenager. Never.
I saw.
Hmm?
I saw all your pictures.
In high school? Clear
And
skin.
All the pictures you ever sent me, yeah.
No pimples.
You found somebody who loves you no matter what, so it's all good.
Are you being cheesy, my love? I need cheesy.
You found somebody who loves you no matter what, so it's all good.
And you found somebody that loves you no matter what.
Oh my God, I can't even believe it.
So
I can't even believe it.
My baby's never been on the ferry, so he doesn't know what to do with himself. That's it. That's all you do. Oh. Oh, come on, let's go this way though. Can we go that way? In front of the car? Let's go over here in front of the car.
Looking at you.
Hmm?
Come on, these girls are looking at you.
What girls?
Cross on the other ferry.
Hmm?
Cross on the other ferry in the car. That is you. The truck behind us. I like it.
Such a pretty day. Maybe.
So everybody knows.